like the Asus ROG Zephyrus, Origin PCs jumped on the Max-Q bandwagon with its Evo15 S, delivering a similarly thin and light notebook packed with gaming guts. It has not the $1,200 system Nvidia promised last summer. The cheapest you can get is about $1,560 if you cut back to 8GB of RAM. The GTX 1060, a tiny 120GB SSD and the basic 1920x1080 matte IPS display. And our evaluation system configuration runs about $2,300. You don't have any choice on the processor, which is typical. But you have a ton of options for the storage, up to 5TB in total, and a nice handful for memory, up to 32GB to 666MB DDR. The three display options include two 1920x1080 matte IPS panels, one with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 4K matte IPS. It supports G-Sync when connected to an external monitor via one of the two mini DisplayPort connectors. The 4K upgrade, also matte IPS, seems oddly cheap at just under $100 over the base panel. In Australia, the same upgrade costs about $1,260, that's equivalent to $1,020. Australians generally have fewer options. Because there are no 120Hz display or two 666MB memory choices, there's no direct equivalent to our test configuration. The closest model you can get runs $3,910, the cheapest, $3,010 with 16GB of RAM, because there's no 8GB option. Origin PC doesn't have a UK site, but our test configuration price converts to roughly £1,635 and the cheapest setup translates to about £1,075. I think this is a solid configuration to recommend. If you don't play fast-moving games, you can save a bit with the base display. 4K strikes me as a bit too high for such a small monitor, and cut back to 8GB, but decreasing the amount of storage won't save you all that much. The Seagate FirePuta flash accelerated hard drives aren't anywhere near as expensive as all flash.